The court finally admits Nnamdi Kanu's innocence, accepts evidence for his release. Yes, all the evidences submitted today at the court concerning Nnamdi Kanu has been accepted. All right, my people, I agree to Nnamdi very day. You are all welcome to today's broadcast. Yes, so this is today's news. The evidences submitted to the court concerning the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and why he should be released has finally been accepted. After a careful check and a careful scrutiny, the court discovered that all those evidences submitted are real and confirmed. So there is no reason keeping Nnamdi Kanu back in prison. Though the court has admitted that the trial should still continue, as the IPOB leader's freedom is finally closed. The court has given reasons to accept the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a point and not yet declared. The IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, who proved is innocent after evidences have been submitted by different individuals from different council. The DSS officer with at least 20 years of experiences has given ideas of what has happened to Nnamdi Kanu and what likely might happen to him if he continues staying in prison. Reference was actually made back then in 2021 on how the IPOB leader's home was invaded, what led to it, and who led that very move, and why. These are all evidences submitted, and how Nnamdi Kanu escaped assassination why his home was invaded, and also who led that very assassination move. It was also made very clear that if not for Nnamdi Kanu's intelligence and support given to him by his parents, how come he wouldn't have been able to make it out of the country? If not, the IPOB leader would have been a forgotten thing. More evidences was also submitted as facts were actually brought out on this same matter, as the judges who were present today before the end of the trial agreed that the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu should be released and acquitted, as already approved by the Supreme Court back then. My dear listeners, I must tell you the humble truth that this very trial supposed to have attracted the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu. If not for what was submitted today at the court, that's the 10 years old video. But be that as it may, Nnamdi Kanu still pleaded not guilty and also turned out victorious. Notwithstanding, no wahala, no cause for alarm. Everything still there. Everything still being equal. The IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu will soon and will still be declared free. No going back on this very fact. My dear listeners, I want to commend Nnamdi Kanu himself. I want to commend the court and the judge, presiding judge Omoto Show. In fact,